What's up, YouTube? We are back with another video. As you guys can tell from the title of the thumbnail, we are doing a full makeover on the Gen 2. We are changing a few things, but first things first, I gotta head out to go pick up these wheels. We got an hour and 30-minute drive. I'm gonna show you the wheels where I am getting. I'm pretty sure you guys know already, 5 spokes, but I'm gonna show you the color I'm getting, and then yeah, let's go ahead and pick the wheels up, and I will see you guys once I get there. Some of you guys know I am gonna wrap the car. Let me know down below what color y'all want me to do. I really don't know what color yet, just because I want to do something basic, but I don't want to be too basic. So let me know down below what you guys think I should do, and maybe whatever comment gets the most likes, maybe I will do it. So just pulled up to the place that has the wheels. I'm pretty sure you guys can see them. They're right there. So we are back. It took forever, but I'm going to show you guys the wheels that I got. Pretty sure you can see they're 5 spokes, brand new tires. That's the color we went with. It's like a gunmetal silver, 275 fruity 20, and these are neat. Those all the way around. Let's go ahead and unload these. I will throw these on tomorrow because, as you guys can tell, it's getting really late and my car is at the shop getting the header leak fixed.
Oh my god, bro! Give me some yard cocoa.
The tool already.
Open it up a little. Where?
Bro, how the fuck did I just screw?
You got the camera on.
Yeah, that's a good turnaround.
Where you going, Corey?
Yeah, my man struggling.
Bro, you going crazy.
Saying don't let this distract you from tea getting cooked.
Bro, this nigga used a fucking crazy tea, bro. You tripping.
Yo, bro.
Where the screws at in the park?
I got one.
Fuck that. Oh, put man on, like real man. This is college football, dude. You still need the other side to play.
Alright, YouTube, it is currently 3 days since the previous clip. We just received my front lip. The car is still currently at my guy's shop. As you guys can see, they cannot currently fix what's wrong with the headers, so we're gonna bring the car back and see if we can figure it out ourselves. The header gaskets, it didn't make a difference. There was a small crack. We got that welded, but for some reason it still sounds like a monster truck. So I'm gonna bring the car back over here. I'm gonna call my mechanic and see if he can figure it out. If he can't, then I guess I'm gonna just have to change the whole headers. And some of you know they're long tubes, so it ain't gonna be cheap, but it is what it is. While my car was over there, this is what we've been working on. We just put stripes on her, put a new fog light. This truck make me miss my truck. I think I'm gonna buy another one. Let me know down below, should I build an RT for the channel? But I got more work to do, so let me go ahead and get started on that. Once the charger gets here, I will pick you guys up. Alright guys, so as you guys can tell, we got the Gen 2 back in the shop. Let's go ahead and jack her up, swap these wheels out, see how she sits on the 5 stars. Me personally, I would lower the car, but this will do for now until I get some lower springs. 3 fingers. I prefer like probably like 1. But let's go ahead and slap these wheels on real quick. Yo. Alright guys, so we got this side on. Let's go ahead and do the other side. I'm gonna do a time lapse so y'all won't be sitting here watching me put the other two wheels on, but check them out, chat. By far my favorite wheels. Sheesh. Brought the car out. Alright, let's go ahead and do the other side now.
It's only
Check this out. Sponsored by Chick-fil-A. Look what came in. Oh, let me make sure I don't drop my cup. Look what came in, y'all. Let's go ahead and get this put on.
It didn't bring me like how price in that video was. Like, you bought this one. Right, I need to see this too. 50,000? What the hell is this?
Ain't no.
No, look, you see the gap in the middle? It's all twins. Yeah, all three twins on. What we saw?
That's insane.
Yep. You're good at this one, boys. That was the camera, bro. That was the camera. The camera.
Ooh, what is this? Oh, that's the little Jones for the bottom. One of these thingies. Oh yeah. Daya! Sheesh! These are the best headlights. Don't at me. Check this out, y'all. If anybody needs stock headlights, you know where to find me at.
He gonna be doing donuts. 5 million likes. Do 1,500 likes. He gonna be do a donut.
So some of you don't know, you gotta take this bulb out for that. So what I mean by that is grab the light, find the plug. So just like that. Slide it in. Now she ain't going nowhere.
ASMR for y'all. See that chat? You got a pro charger.
It work?
Yep. Yeah, it worked.
Both of them?
Yeah.
Yo, it's a fairy. Yo, what's that? What does it do?
The light on white.
Throw me off. Yeah.
This was live.
YouTube, check it out. New lights are on there. New wheels. Next up is full rat. But first things first, we gotta remove this and the roof, mirrors, and these door handles. This is why I don't like carbon fiber wrap. When it sits in the sun, it'll start to look like this. This will break off piece by piece. It's like paper. Right, y'all, so as you can see, we tried to get this old wrap off. It didn't work, so now I'm gonna just sand the whole hood and the roof, 'cause it doesn't want to come off. And yesterday we spent the whole day just peeling the stripes off, and I'm not about to redo that again. I'm about to just sand all this down. I already tried. Look, I was getting somewhere, but like it's just like it's not working. Oh, I'm scratching my paint. Look, bro, it's not doing nothing. Yeah, see, it's just waste of time.
It's like, yeah.
I spent like an hour trying to
Just
do
throw this over our people. Like,
Check this out, y'all. Little contraption. This took me like 30 minutes alone, so let's see if this will help me. Alright, YouTube. We're gonna wrap the video up right here. Comment down below if y'all like the new headlights and the new wheels. Also, let me know down below what color should I wrap it. I am listening to the comments. If I like the color, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But without further ado, let's go ahead and wrap the video up right here. I will catch you guys on the next one.